In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a post in Hootsuite. Whether you're managing multiple social media accounts or handling a single profile, posts sometimes need a little cleanup. Deleting a post is a straightforward process, but it helps to know exactly where to start, especially in a platform like Hootsuite where you have a lot of features at your disposal. Let's get started and guide you through each step of this process. To begin, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you commonly use. Once your browser is up and running, type Hootsuite into the search bar and hit Enter. This will direct you to Hootsuite's main website, where you'll find an option to log in. If you don't have your login credentials handy, no worries. Just make sure you have your username and password on hand to make this as smooth as possible. Now that you're on the login page, enter your details and access your Hootsuite account. Once inside, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is your central hub for all things Hootsuite, packed with multiple features aimed at helping you effectively manage your social posts. It's time to locate the Streams section within your dashboard. Streams are quite useful because they help you monitor different social media activities and your posts in one place. Think of Streams as a personalized timeline, allowing you to track various accounts simultaneously. Go ahead and click on the Streams tab to view the current streams you have set up. Next, you'll want to select the specific stream that contains the post you wish to delete. These streams could be named things like My Tweets, My Posts, or perhaps something you've customized yourself. Select the relevant stream, and within it, you will see a collection of your past posts. Here comes the pivotal step, locating the exact post you want to remove. Scroll through your selected stream until you find that specific post. When you've found it, look for an icon or link labeled More Options directly on the post. This is usually represented by 3 dots or a gear icon, depending on the platform's latest updates. Click on More Options to view a drop-down menu. In this menu, you will see the option to delete the post. Click on Delete to proceed. Almost there. To make sure no mistakes are made, Hootsuite will prompt you to confirm this action. Simply click Delete again to confirm the deletion of your post. This dual confirmation helps prevent accidental deletions, offering a simple yet reassuring buffer. You've now walked through how to successfully delete a post from your Hootsuite account. Remember, this is a permanent action, so it's always good to double-check before you make that final click. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for keeping your social media content clean and timely. Happy managing!